Welcome to my YouTube channel, Naya's Signature, also known as Blenny Allures. On this channel, I share valuable fashion tips, business insights, strategies to help you grow and succeed. If you're passionate about fashion and want to learn more, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my exciting content. Today, we're talking about how to start a fashion school in Nigeria. How to start a fashion school in Nigeria. Starting a fashion school in Nigeria is a great way to teach people how to sew and design clothes. Here's a simple guide to help you. 1. Choose your focus. Decide what type of fashion you want to teach, like African styles, bridal wear, or general sewing. 2. Plan your business. Check other fashion schools to see what they offer. Write a plan with your costs, prices, and how you will get students. 3. Get training and register your school if needed. Get professional training to improve your skills. Register your business with CAC to make it legal. 4. Find a location and buy equipment. Get a good space for teaching. You can start from home or rent a shop. Buy sewing machines, fabrics, mannequins, and other tools. 5. Create a lesson plan. Teach important skills like sewing, fabric cutting, and fashion design. 6. Hire teachers, if needed. If your school is big, hire experienced fashion designers to help teach. 7. Advertise your school. Use Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to show your work. Print flyers and tell people about your school. 8. Offer easy pay.
Take